My grandparents, they lived in Germany, in Hamburg. My father was 6 years old. In the 1930s, with the rise of Nazism, they had to leave. And they found refuge in a country that was much poorer, but that embraced them. They embraced my grandparents, my father, and his one sibling, my aunt. They looked very different. They spoke very differently. Only my grandmother spoke a little bit of Spanish. And yet they were embraced. It is easy to be generous to your friends and family. It's very hard to be generous to strangers. So I've always had this idea of what moves people to be generous to others, because it saved my father's and my aunt's life, and it made our life possible. And that is an inspiration of the best of the human spirit at work. When I came to the University of Michigan to study, I had many, many gifted professors, but two of them who really helped me think in a systematic way about big problems. So universities are places where that magic happens, where strangers come together in the pursuit of something, and where you receive the benefit of the wisdom of someone who is willing to share. It's a confluence of incredible talent, generosity, a focus on helping people around the world, both for a sense of mission and also for a sense of making the United States stronger and safer. That only happens at universities. So problems like global health don't easily follow disciplinary silos. Problems like climate change, they require interdisciplinary action, but that doesn't happen spontaneously. You need to invest, the university needs to invest energy and resources to create the conditions to bring the multiple disciplines together around complex problems. That's the only way we can tackle those problems. We need to create structures and processes and incentives at universities so that those experts in their respective disciplines can come together. And centers like the Center for Global Health Equity are exactly the mechanisms that universities develop to bring those experts together around complex problems. And so the center is a great example of the best that universities can offer. That's another part of the magic that happens in universities, to enable everyone the same chance to flourish and live a meaningful life. That happened here at Michigan, at the University of Michigan. That's why I'm so grateful to my alma mater.